everyone, my birthday is almost now. My birthday is March 31, 2015. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my videos. And welcome to our collab video. And I have a ball stuck in my hand. How did this? Okay. What's getting this? Okay, maglalaro tayo ng ano. We're playing Roblox now. Pag hindi mo to nakita, you're banned! Do you think guys we're brothers? Nope, we're not brothers, we're classmates. We're classmates, huh? Okay, let's go. Okay, magdadrive tayo ng Algid jeepney. Wala to lamig, matilo. That's not Lamigo, that's the other one's Lamigo. Old Lamigo. Are you telling about the Lamigo boys from the jeepney? Yes. You son of a bitch. Okay. Oh my god. There's another Algid. I know. Algid. Look at this map. You guys see the map? Tell me in the comments. Yo! Muntik na ka mabunggo. Punta tayo dito sa new. He's going to the new road layout. Guys! Are you in United States? We have a United States of Statue of Liberty. Yes. His name is 707. Ano ba? No, that's not the name of the Statue of Liberty. Si James. Guys, we're in the Granny Mary. Driving in the Granny Mary. Dami mga tanga dito. Oh, ayan. Ay, tingnan guys! Tingnan na to! Ayun o. Traffic. Demonyo na to talaga. May isa ka! Don't you say that, man. This guy is a D. Don't you say it. D. Hindi ka pupunta sa langit. Sige, pag sinabi mo yan, I am Jesus. Okay. I am Jesus. So, did you know? A Bible. Chapter 1 of lang. Guys, he's crazy. He always says nigga. Man, you need to shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. No. Kayo. Kaya ko na. The old Lamigo. Guys, he's playing with this. Oh my god, there's a tricycle. Pero may karga. Ay! Bam. Bam. Hoy, ano ginagawa mo dyan? Tabi! Guys, help me. Tabi! Lamigo! Oh my god! Ay, na-meet natin siya. Ayun na, naka-military suit. Bro, So you just drive.
Yeah, I just left.
Ano to? Ching chong chong.
That's not KFC, that's Ching Chong Chong. Ching Ching.
So did you know in Thailand
There's an earthquake!
there's an earthquake.
Or a skyscraper.
Nabaksak yung
Guys,
skyscraper.
I'm saying bye-bye because I am going home. It's nighttime. You need to say goodbye. Wait lang.
Goodbye and see you tomorrow hanggang part 5.
Okay.